Hello everyone, it's Angie Dobransky here with Rad Strategic Partners. Today, we're going to talk about how to make the most of every day. As a professional or successful entrepreneur, showing up and being the best you can be every day is essential. But there are also some tricks to ensure we win every single day, creating a balanced mix of productivity, growth, and harmony in our lives. Many years ago, I realized that my weekends were incredibly productive, not in terms of getting work done, but in accomplishing a variety of activities. I would complete chores, enjoy time at the pool, spend time with my family, and even go to a barbecue or an event, all because I had a plan. I'd wake up on Saturday mornings and I'd think about what I wanted to achieve that weekend, and I'd plot it out in my head and then follow that plan. Eventually, I found a tool that made this even easier, the Panda Planner. This planner has been a game changer for me. Every morning, I open it up and I jot down the 5 priorities for the day. This way I can see what needs to be done and allocate my time wisely. One of my daily priorities always comes from the monthly section of the planner. And at the beginning of each month, I map out essential tasks that need regular attention, like updating finances, creating content, filming videos, or organizing my workspace. By scheduling these tasks consistently, they don't pile up and become overwhelming. Planning your day realistically and making a little bit of progress each day is the key. When I don't complete everything, those tasks roll over to the next day. This ensures that important tasks aren't forgotten, but prioritized for the next day, because if they matter today, they matter even more tomorrow. People often ask how I stay so productive, and the answer is simple. I hold myself accountable and I plan my days effectively. This balance allows me to travel, enjoy my garden, and pursue hobbies without sacrificing my work commitments. It's all about making the most out of every day by being intentional with your time. So, start planning your days with purpose and watch how your productivity and satisfaction grow. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might also find benefit. Comment below and let me know how you plan to make the most out of your day. I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success. See you next time.